we are introducing to you the Duravolt 12 inches 3-in-1 rechargeable table fan. Our rechargeable table fan is one of the best in town. It comes with free solar panel as well as 2 LED bulbs. You can charge this fan with electricity as well as the solar panel. Our rechargeable table fan also has a USB port you can use to charge your phone and other devices you may want to charge anytime, any day. With our rechargeable table fan, you can also light up your house using the LED bulbs it came with, 2 pieces of the LED bulbs. The beauty of this fan also is that you can adapt it as a wall fan. You can use it as a wall fan, and also it consumes little or no space. You can see the little table we used. That will mean it can just occupy little space in your home and your office. With this bulb it came with, you can illuminate every corner of your house during the night. The beauty of the fan also is that it comes with another lamp on its body. So light everywhere, you can get brightness everywhere no matter the time of the night. This is a wonderful fan. It can rotate from left to right and from right to left. It is very efficient and effective and low energy consuming as well. We have limited copy left, so get your copy now that we have stocks, and enjoy life.